Ha, ha, bitch. Yeah, you know what it going for. They thought niggas feel love, now I'm back. All they service straight drop. In the booth, I straight drop. She said I think it's straight drop. She twerk that ass a straight drop. And you know that I'm an 80s baby, so you know a nigga slaying wrong. Ain't no water whipping, how I'm mixing nice and straight drop. Heart and radius for them junkies sharp when they come non-stop. Fresh at the pod, they smell the aroma. They coming in all in the stew, I'm brewing, making music, make your head bop. The way I whip my wrist, I'm pen to paper, got the game lost. No on the fire, no head boost, don't need no damn plug. Heading out of jail, give your time, I make the city job. Hey, pump like a straight drop. She said keep it coming, don't stop it. Her pussy wet, squirt faucet. I'ma cut the bitch, no comment. She keep blowing up my phone, want me to come toss it. Say the dick drop, that's logic. I'ma take the bitch out of pocket. Hey, twerk that thing for me, let me see you shake. Slim thick, hard fat ass, I need a pretty face. Drop it for me, bring it back up until you reach my waist. Let's head up to the bar, what you want? All they service straight draw. In the booth, I straight draw. She said I think it's straight draw. She twerk that ass and straight draw. And you know that Pyrex, microwave coke with the fork. Press them clean to the side for the ones that snort. Hit the scene. What you need might have your drug of choice. If your man slackin', fuck with me, I'll be your other source. Hey, in the booth straight drop. Tell my life dropping hits. Looking, I'm feeling for more. Like a junkie need a hit. This country they know is when cooking up. Cut it straight off the brick. Straight ether when I spit. Cut the track, make it flip. Grab the baby by the hips. Wrap her hair around my fist. Be careful, I'm something like a drug. Straight drop with the dick. Got it coming back to back. Now she feeding for the fix. Make that little pussy drip. Then it's back to the trips. Drop it, shake that ass real quick. And wait them niggas stomach to give you like the herb shake. And bounce it to the left, to the right. Keep it in rotation. Send me the location. All they service straight draw.